Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name's Amy. This is my Renault 8 and we are currently going down some country lanes on our way to the garage where Tony, who owns the garage, has kindly let me use the tram to do the tracking. This is kind of prep for Retro Rides Weekender at Goodwood, which is pretty much going to be the longest trip I've done in this car. For me it's about 135 miles each way. Me and the wife going to jump in on Friday and bibble down, ready for the show on Saturday. And all being well, we'll get there, and if it's even better, we'll get all the way home too. One thing I didn't want to do was be fighting the steering all the way there. It's not a problem when I'm only driving short trips, say 10 miles, but I didn't want to be blasting all the way to Goodwood. The steering wheel pointing to the left, the car yanking all over the place, the wheels just generally pointing where they want to be because I just eyeballed on the drive. Gone for a quick alignment up front, set the steering wheel so when they're straight, dialed it in with a little bit of toe in as per Mr. Swan's advice. So we'll see where we're at. It's not actually a race car. I'm not too fussed about it. It handles amazingly. I just don't want it throwing me in the ditch more than anything. But I don't think I've actually aligned it properly since fitting the adjustable track rod arms. No, I haven't. So yeah, that was probably what, a year ago. Yeah, I haven't actually got it tracked ever since. But yeah, using some of Tony's kit, we'll get it all aligned, and we'll see how it drives afterwards. Probably going to be a pretty short video. I won't be doing much talking because I'll be trying to figure out what I'm doing. But yeah, call it some Retro Rides prep, and I'll see you afterwards. So we're here at autocorrect, where Tony has kindly allowed me to use his ramps to do the tracking on the 8. We only got a little bit of damage. I caught the splitter coming in, so I need to sort that out. But show you what we're doing here. We did some moving around, spinning the steering wheel and everything to get the alignment red. We're running 5.5 degrees of rear negative camber and positive toe. That's where we're at for caster. Front camber, 3.5 degrees either side. And what we want to do is do the toe. Rear, can't adjust the rear toe, but we can get toe on the front. So we're going to lift the car up and start adjusting that, and it should all be pretty easy and pretty loose because it's all new. What we'll probably do is go to factory spec and then give it a touch toe in, I guess. Yeah, this is the first time I've been fully under the car as well. So yeah, she's showing her age underneath. Needs to clean that. Nothing too bad there. Yeah, I'll show you underneath the car. Not sure how much you'll be able to see with the light. She's gone through there on the front quarter plate. Solid on the other side. She has got a little hole there and one there as well. The rest of it's pretty solid, to be fair. The manifold. Yeah, she looks crusty, but she's solid as a rock, really. Right, anyway, back to adjustments. Dialed it in for a little bit of positive toe or toe in, as instructed by Mr. Steve Swan. So we're just going to lock it up and fall onto the bump, lock it up, and it should be good to go. Right, that's us wrapping up. Easy as really. Should drive so much better. I'm hoping the clamps still on the steering wheel. I'm showing it's in the centre. I'll do a little repair to the splitter. join me back in the car. We've tracked it up, so it should be loads better than it actually was. It was a fair bit out. So we should be able to drive to Goodwood with very little issue. Let's see if we can get out of this car park right. So yeah, we're at Autocorrect Garage Services over in Bromsbarrow Heath. If you want anything weird and wonderful doing, or just your normal standard stuff, come and see Tony. He gets all the fun annoying jobs that I can't do on my drive, or on the wife's car. But absolutely excellent mechanic, and he kindly let me use his ramps to do the tracking on my car myself. It is Sunday, so I really appreciate that. So yeah, we're gonna bimble back home now. The wheels should be somewhere in the right direction. Doesn't even have to be perfect, it just needs to be better than it was. So far so good. He says 30 seconds into the trip. And then scrubbing. You know I'm not fussed by that. And we are at some country